I'm going to share 10 big mistakes that you need to avoid in your class 10. If you are a student of class 10, kindly stick to this video that you may avoid those mistakes that I made in my class 10. So I'm going to share those mistakes that I made in my class 10 that you must avoid to excel in your academics and in class 10. So kindly stick to the video. Hello everyone, this is me Alex, a 11th grader to be soon, and through this video I'm going to share those mistakes I made in class 10 that you must avoid. So without any further ado, let's start this video. Mistake number 1: keeping things for the last minute. This is the biggest mistake that I made in my class 10. Every terminal exams, every test, every pre-boards or whatever test, class test I had, I used to keep things for the last time. This formula I will read later on. This sum I will solve later on. This chart, this diagram, I'll do it at the last day, at the last moment. I used to think like that, and that was one of the most troublemaking decision I ever made. Because one night before my exam, I used to be confused what to study and what not to study. Sometimes calling my friends, can you send me that notes, can you help me with this sum? I used to be confused. That was the mistake I made, that keeping things for the last time. So you must avoid keeping things for the last time. Do it as much fast as possible. Mistake number 2: not doing enough book study. This is also a mistake that we frequently do, that is not reading our books enough, because whatever the question comes, it comes from our books itself. But if we haven't gained enough knowledge from our book itself, how can we do good in exams? Because I came across several topics that was already mentioned in our books, but that I didn't have any idea enough, because I didn't went through those topics in my book. We depend upon our teachers' lectures, the notes we get from our friends or whatever we make from outside, apart from the books. But the actual things, the topics are mentioned already in the book that we avoid and that we ignore. So that you should not do. You must do your book study. Mistake number 4: not making self notes. When I was in class 10, I came across many friends who asked me my notes, because I had a habit of making self notes, and they used to refer to my notes, and sometimes they used to be confused. That is the mistake when we do, because self notes are the most powerful and tool for your self study, because whatever you read, you must write it by your own understanding. Whatever you understand, you write it in your own language, your own comfort language that you understand. Make your own mnemonics. Don't depend on teachers' notes or your friends' notes. You can take help from them, but make your go-to notes, that OG notes that will help you during revisions, during your tough times. Okay, so whenever you do book study, you can even make self notes, handmade notes by yourself. And mark my words, whenever you make notes, please analyze the PYQs, the previous year question papers, because there are some, according to our syllabus, there are some chapters which are not relevant. Like, not all the chapters are equally relevant and important for our board exams, because there are some chapters which comes just for 1 mark. There are some chapters which are mostly important for 8 marks or long answers. So you need to make notes according to the chapters which are according to their importance or relevance. Okay. And mistake number 4, that is not revising notes consistently. Once you do book study, you will make your notes. That's great. But the next step is you need to revise the notes, because whatever you make, if you just keep on making the notes and pile up, then it will be useless, because that was also the mistakes I made. I had piles and piles of notes, but I just used to keep it. It used to be in a place for several months, and during the board exams there was the biggest hustle of the year. during the board exams I just used to which notes to study, which chapter, how from where these notes came. I used to be in trouble. So whenever you go through book, whenever you do book study, make notes, make sure you make it enough revision that you'll be you'll have like enough revision time, and in the board examination time you don't have to hustle and have take a burden. Mistake number 5: wasting too much time on planning. Yeah, you are in class 10 and you want to make best out of it, like you want this, you want that, you want suggestion from this youtuber, this teacher, and so on. That's good, but the main thing is, though planning is important, but the main thing is execution. Whatever you plan, you must be able to execute it. If you plan but if you don't do it, then what's the use of planning? It becomes useless and waste of time. So whatever you do, kindly, whatever you plan, you must put it into action, put it into execution. Don't procrastinate just after making your plans. Mistake number 6: comparing yourself with others. Yeah, if you are in class 10, then there will be situations and times when you want to win your friends, when you want to do good, you want to excel, you want to be the topper, you want to be the best. But at that moment, kindly mark my words, there will be ups and downs. You should not compare your strength and your ability with others, because each one of us are blessed differently in different like aspects. So you don't stop comparing with your friends. Oh, she got higher than me, she became first, he became first, oh, I am left out. No, these are the part of your class 10. Highs and lows are just like our friends, but you should not like be demotivated just by thinking, oh, I got low grades this time. But instead of that, you should be your own motivation. Oh, this time I couldn't do well, but next time I'll obviously try. But don't give up at that mean moment. Okay, now we're gonna move to 4 other mistakes that you need to avoid in class 10, but in not in aspects of studies, but in general, like your personal life. What mistakes you need to avoid? That is in case of like friends, because you're in class 10, you're not just here for studies, because it's probably the last year with some of your friends, so you even need to make memories. So what is the mistake you need to avoid? Is mistake number 7: not enjoying your class 10. Yeah, obviously you need to study, but side by side you need to enjoy your year, you need to enjoy your friendship, you need to enjoy your bondings, you need to like have enough memories to remember later on. If you just don't have a good bond with your friends, if you just study, be that bookworm, but if you don't live your life, then what's the use of studying class 10? Because class 10 is all about memories, because it just comes once in your life, in your entire lifetime. Your friends gonna leave you, like you guys gonna depart, your paths are gonna be different after class 10. Someone's gonna go to arts, someone gonna go to science, commerce, whatever. So whatever it is, but make the best use of it. Class 10, be united. When in class 10, have good bondings with your friend. Your studies are different, and your personal life, your friendship is different. So don't try to mix this up. Mistake number 8: not participating in activities. Yeah, I understand, my dear friend, my dear brother and sister, that this is a board examination year. You need to prepare for your boards. Yeah, I'm not demotivating you, or I'm not like telling you not to study. Obviously you have to study, that's your priority, that should be your priority. But you should not be devoid of some activities. Like if there are some activities in school, it's something like a group activity, you need to come up. Don't, because it's class 10 and the last year, and if you don't make enough memories this year, then this year is gonna be a waste of time. So whenever it's if there is a teacher's day, come up with group dance. We also did, like our batch also come up with that banger group song, or something like skit, like group activities, you must do. Like don't make this year like just for studies, and don't make it like a boring year. Even indulge yourself in like doing some group activities, like some extraordinary activities that would be a lifetime memory for you. Mistake number 9, that is being antisocial. Like this is kind of same thing, because some students are so much like into studies that they even don't connect with themselves with their friends, and sometimes they even like have ego. And what can I say, I don't got a specific word like that. You don't not having a good bond with your friends, like, oh, I will do good than her, I will do better than him, I will do better than also, I will not talk to him, like that kind of enviness. You should not have. Study is different and your friendship is different, so don't mix it up, okay? And don't try to be antisocial. Come on guys, it's your last year of like your friendship together, so be in a good bond, make the best memories. Sometimes go for a picnic, go for a outing, go for group activities, yeah, come on, make this year memorable. Last but not the least, 10th mistake that you need to avoid is like taking academic competition too personal. This is what I have truly experienced, because I was one of the rank holder in class 10th, and I got like a drastic downfall in my academics. Before I used to be first in my exam, but I started getting lower grades like second and third. And sometimes I used to like, why is this always happening to me? Now I will not let her win, now I will not let him win. This was my mindset. But what I understood is like at the end of this year, what I came to conclusion is like we should not take our academic competition too personal, because academics, we should actually encourage each other. What if you are having problems, you need to approach to your friend, approach to your teacher. If they don't help, it's okay, but like make good bonds with them. Don't have like kind of having bad bonds and thinking bad about them. But you should keep your academic life different and your private life different, and make memories. I would like suggest you have to study, but side by side you have to make unforgettable memories. Do some memorable stuffs that you're gonna remember lifetime, because studies, that's you just gonna remember till your boards, but right, life after that is all about your memories. So make the best out of use of it. Don't spoil your year, and have fun, do good. All the best for the year. Bye guys.